So let me answer the question that I have title up here. I've been streaming so many months, I have so many followers, and I average so many viewers. Should I quit? Do you have a goal in mind that you are looking to reach? Are you on track to hit that goal? Are you willing to change things up to solidly pursue that goal? Because here's the thing about Twitch. Twitch is not a growth-based platform. On Twitch should be thought of like editing a YouTube video. When you are putting your time and effort into editing a YouTube video, you are focused on that task. While you are on Twitch, focus on making the best possible content that you can be. And then when you are off Twitch, focus on two things. One, learning how to make better content so that the people who come to your streams are going to enjoy them more. And two, focus on learning how to grow. Because if you do those things, and then you take that time that you took focused on learning how to grow and then take that time and put it into growth strategies, then you are going to see growth and you are going to be happy. But if you are not willing to spend the time, if you are wanting to spend all of your time on Twitch, not wanting to spend any time outside of Twitch working on growth and learning and trying to improve, then yes, you should quit. Because you will not succeed on Twitch. Straight up. You are just going to grind your gears and grind your gears and grind your gears, and you are literally going to cross your fingers and hope to get lucky, and it's not going to help. Because you've been doing the same thing for 24 months, and it hasn't worked. So change it up. Be willing to change up your content. Be willing to embark on something new. You might get platitudes from strangers telling you you're doing a good job and whatever, but those platitudes won't pay your bills, they won't help you, they won't make you successful. So instead, ignore your numbers, ignore how long you've been doing it, ignore your viewers, ignore your followers. Simply comes down to this. Are you willing to change the way that you think? And are you willing to put effort into learning and then executing on those things that you've learned? If so, don't quit. Put those things into action. Spend a bunch of time learning and growing and helping and so on. And if you're not, you should quit because you won't get any better and you will be continually frustrated. And then if you do decide to quit, and hey, by all means, decide to quit. I'm okay with that. If you do decide to quit, you know what you should do? You should take that time that you are spending on Twitch and spend it learning, either on how to grow on platforms or how to be a better content creator, because you're probably going to have in the back of your brain that you still would love to succeed on Twitch. And this way, you can totally come back to Twitch in 6 months' time or 24 months' time and be that much better situated to improve as a streamer, because then you might be able to come back to Twitch after a 6-month hiatus of learning and suddenly double your followers and gain 60 average viewers rather than sit where you were with 5. Really, the answer to this question is, are you willing to change and improve? Because nobody else out there can make you succeed. You're the one who's able to succeed. And asking questions of other people is kind of just seeking out a bunch of people to tell you that you should keep going. You're probably at some core level of you either looking for permission to quit or encouragement to continue on. And if you're simply looking for encouragement to continue on without ever changing, you're not going to succeed. If you are looking for encouragement to quit and you think that you're probably not going to succeed, then let this be encouragement to quit. There is no problem doing that. You are going to spend a lot of point in your life trying things and embarking on new things. Take it, learn from it, do whatever you can to enjoy and have benefits from what you've done and move on to something else. That's good. You aren't a failure. You are someone who tried something and learned something, and you have knowledge and experiences and time spent on things. And that's good too. Hopefully this was a decent analysis, and I tried to answer the question in multiple ways. And one of the ways that I answered it gave you guys value. If so, please thumbs up this video and leave a comment. Let me know. And Seriously, if you want to leave a comment that says, I've been streaming for 782 months and have 12 followers and I average negative 12 chickens, like, by all means, please leave that comment. I would love to see it. And seriously, if this video makes you look into wanting to grow and succeed, well, check out some of the other videos on this channel. I have an eclectic mix of different thoughts and strategies and things that you can do, and seek out other people. And feel free to message me or pop by one of my streams. We can discuss ways of getting you to succeed in the way that you want. And if this encouraged you to quit, well, also let me know, and let me know what you're going to do with that time that you were spending on the previous venture and how you're going to spend it well. I'd love to know about your journey. All right, guys, my name's Aaron, aka Feldy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the next video.